AI surveillance systems. These networks process enormous amounts of video feed in real time using facial recognition and behavioral analysis. Instead of relying on human operators to watch dozens of screens, algorithms scan public spaces to track specific individuals across entire cities. It creates a seamless web of monitoring that never blinks, shifting the concept of privacy while offering unprecedented tracking capabilities. Reconnaissance drones. Orbiting high above the ground, these uncrewed aircraft use machine learning to filter through miles of terrain data. They act as the ultimate scouts, constantly mapping the environment and highlighting changes that a human eye might miss, like hidden vehicle tracks or subtle shifts in enemy encampments. By analyzing visual and thermal data on the fly, they deliver accurate intelligence to forces miles away. Combat drones. Expanding on reconnaissance, these flying platforms carry lethal payloads and sophisticated algorithms to identify designated targets. While human operators still pull the trigger remotely, the software calculates the optimal approach, accounts for weather, and locks onto the subject. This introduces a complex layer to modern warfare, placing immense trust in the software's ability to distinguish between a combatant and a civilian before a strike happens. Swarm drones. Instead of one large aircraft, hundreds of smaller, inexpensive machines communicate with each other to move as a unified entity. If one drone is destroyed, the network instantly recalculates and adjusts its formation without missing a beat. This hive mind approach can overwhelm traditional radar and defense networks simply by saturating the airspace, making it incredibly difficult to defend against such an adaptable threat. Autonomous sentry guns. These stationary weapons sit along high-tension borders and sensitive military bases, equipped to detect, track, and engage targets entirely on their own. They use thermal imaging and motion sensors to lock on to anything crossing a designated perimeter. The decision to fire can be pre-programmed, removing human hesitation in stressful situations, though it sparks intense debate regarding accountability when a machine pulls its own trigger. AI missile guidance systems. Once launched, traditional projectiles follow a predictable path, but newer smart missiles evaluate their surroundings in mid-air. They can actively alter their trajectory to dodge incoming counterfire, identify the most vulnerable part of a structure, or switch targets if the primary objective is destroyed. This level of in-flight decision-making guarantees precision and speed that older human-guided or basic GPS systems simply cannot match. Close-in weapons systems. Often mounted on naval vessels, these defense networks act as a last line of protection against hostile threats. When a hostile missile breaches outer defenses, radar-guided rotary cannons automatically spin up and unleash thousands of rounds per minute to shred the projectile before impact. The entire engagement sequence happens in seconds, far faster than any human crew could react, creating an impenetrable wall of metal. Cyber warfare AI. Operating entirely on an invisible digital battlefield, these programs are designed to protect infrastructure and attack enemy networks at the speed of light. They constantly probe firewalls for weaknesses, deploying malicious code or patching vulnerabilities without human input. Because digital attacks happen in fractions of a second, relying on human operators is no longer feasible, making algorithms the primary frontline soldiers in global information security. Battlefield Command AI. Beyond single weapons, massive algorithms now analyze the entirety of a war zone to assist generals in making strategic decisions. By processing troop movements, supply lines, weather patterns, and intercepted communications simultaneously, the software predicts enemy actions and suggests effective countermeasures. Handing over high-level strategic planning to a machine fundamentally changes how military campaigns run, treating a chaotic environment like a solvable puzzle. Fully autonomous weapons. Often referred to as lethal autonomous weapons systems, these are the ultimate culmination of military technology, where machines hold the power to search for and engage targets independently. They operate completely outside of human oversight once activated. This shift crosses a profound moral boundary, leaving the decision of who lives and who dies entirely to strings of code and artificial logic on the battlefield.